Welcome to the world of cozy Christmas interior decoration design. Today, we're diving into how to create a festive, inviting atmosphere that brings warmth and joy to your home this holiday season. Get ready for ideas that will transform your space into a magical winter retreat. Let's begin with color palettes. While traditional reds and greens are classic, you can create a softer look by incorporating muted tones like sage, cream, or dusty rose. Pair these with natural materials like wood, burlap, and greenery to achieve a rustic yet festive vibe. Textures are essential for coziness. Think soft and warm velvet cushions, chunky knit throws, and faux fur rugs add layers of comfort and charm. These elements not only make your space feel physically inviting but also visually enhance its warm and cozy appeal. Your Christmas tree can serve as the centerpiece of your design. Opt for a natural, slightly imperfect tree to embrace a rustic feel. Decorate it with handmade ornaments, wooden baubles, and soft fairy lights for a subtle, warm glow. Adding dried oranges, cinnamon sticks, or pine cones provides an earthy, nostalgic touch. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood. Candles and string lights are perfect for creating a warm ambience. Arrange LED candles in lanterns, along windowsills, or on the mantel. Use warm white string lights to drape over furniture, railings, or shelves to instantly make a room feel magical. The fireplace is another focal point for cozy Christmas design. Decorate the mantel with garlands, stockings, and twinkling lights. If you don't have a working fireplace, you can create the effect with clusters of candles or an electric fireplace for a similar glow. The dining area is another space where coziness can shine. A rustic tablescape with linen napkins, wooden serving boards, and candles in mason jars sets the tone. Add sprigs of rosemary or eucalyptus to your place settings for a festive and aromatic touch. Finally, bring the outdoors in with natural elements. Pine branches, holly, and mistletoe are timeless and versatile. Display them in vases, weave them into wreaths, or scatter them around the room for a touch of greenery that feels authentic and welcoming. Cozy Christmas design is all about creating an environment that feels warm and inviting. It's the little details, the crackle of a fire, the soft glow of lights, and the nostalgic scent of pine that make the holiday season special. Thank you for joining me to explore these cozy Christmas decoration ideas. Let me know in the comments how you make your home feel warm and inviting during the holidays. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Happy decorating, and may your holiday season be magical.